de Guzman. Gia, it was a tough game for the Philippines, but definitely a lot of fight back, a lot of heart showed by the team. How big of a learning experience is this, especially for this young team? And what are key takeaways that you guys can bring to the bronze medal match tomorrow?
Actually, before the game started, before going here to the venue, we told the girls that we've already exceeded expectations. All that we ask from everyone is just to leave their best on the floor, leave everything on the floor regardless of the results. So that's what we did today. Nagkulang kami, but we know that we can learn better and perform better in the future.
We definitely saw that effort, Gia, but a lot of fans came out to support the team tonight, not to mention the millions watching the broadcast. How big of a boost is that to you and to the rest of the team, and what is your message to all of them?
To all our Filipino fans from here, all around the world, here in the venue, mas lalo na maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta nyo. From the start until tomorrow, sana maramdaman namin yung pagmamahal nyo as we fight for the bronze medal tomorrow. We hope to see you here and maraming salamat talaga sa lahat.
Thank you, Gia, and congratulations to you and to the Alas Pilipinas.